Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile, I like to say. We're going to begin by using these cute little gnomes that I found at my supermarket, Albertsons, and they were on clearance. The smaller one says $4.99 and the other one's $7.99, but I got them, yep, 1 for $2 and 1 for $4. Is that not a steal? Gorgeous little gnomes. I thought they'd be perfect for the spring and put some, Krafty Leeny love on these things. Let's make them some Shabby-licious beautiful, right? So now I'm just going to add some of this beautiful lace fabric ribbon from the Dollar Tree right around the rim of my gnome's hat. And it doesn't fit all the way to the very end. They don't meet each other, but that's okay. When you're doing things like this, don't worry about that, because your embellishments, you can hide that and no one will ever see it. So now I'm going to add some embellishments and hide that little space. And I'm choosing to use these cute little flowers from Walmart, and I get them in a package. And they're from the sewing section, where you find like the ribbon and the needles and scissors and everything. That's where I find them. Beautiful little satiny shabby chic ribbons. Now this bling I got from Totally Dazzled. Love, love, love Totally Dazzled. You hear me say it all the time because they have such beautiful bling. No complaints. Gorgeous. I'm telling you. And the quality, yeah. I'll leave their link in my description box if you want to take a look at Totally Dazzled. Now this I got from BB Craft. You will find that link in my description box. I will leave that also for you. And these are so pretty. They look like a mother of pearl rosettes. You get quite a bit of it. I used it for a lot of projects in the past, and I still have plenty left. But I thought these would be very fitting around the little gnome's hat. So pretty. The roses, I don't know, they remind me of spring, and with the pearlescent color, very shabby beautiful. See what I mean? Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Oh, it's even pretty like this. But you know me, I'm going to go another step further, and I got to add some more bling. Again, this is from Totally Dazzled. It is a brooch. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I thought that would look very pretty on this gnome. I'm going to add some of those little satiny ribbons that I used on the other gnome on this one, because I do want them to kind of match and go together. But I am putting a little bit of a different, embellishment, little touches here and there to make them their own, right? I'm really feeling these spring gnomes lately. If you like gnomes, check my video out. I'll leave that link in my description box and a card up there if you want to check that video out. And I made a really cute shabby chic gnome. So cute. I don't know. I just fell in love with her. But back to our little gnomes here. I added some little bit of sparkly, glittery greenery there. And try to say that fast. Sparkly, greenery, glittery, greenery. I don't know. You guys all know how I talk. But aren't those gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I am so in love with these beautiful. Now they're shabby-licious. Yay! This video is part of a collaboration hosted by Catharine, a perfect place to start, the Spring Fling Collab. Please check my description box for the link to the playlist and tell them Miss Krafty Leeny sent you. Okay, this next DIY, I'm going to use this, yep, a jar that I had laying around. I mean, you can tell. And I'm going to get this little cute bag. I got this burlap bag from Walmart. And oh my goodness, I got these stencils from BB Craft. And I'll leave that link in my description box for you. Also, you get tons of them. I didn't know which one to use, as you can tell. And finally, I made up my mind. I got some of this beautiful, I don't know, I think it's ivory chalk paint. I will leave it in my description box for you. But it is so pretty. It looked antique-y. It didn't look, bright white, but it was a chalk paint, and I just stenciled it right on this bag. Yeah, it's a little wild looking, but that's okay. It's shabby chic, right? So I got this lace ribbon, and I thought, I need some pink because it's for spring. And I just made a regular shoe tie bow. I love putting the shoe tie bows. Simple, easy, and they're cute. Now I'm going to add this little cute button that I got from Walmart in one of the packages. And it's so pretty. It has a butterfly, and it says Paris. And I don't know. I thought it was very, very pretty. And I just glued it right on top in the center of that bow. Now I'm adding my jar in there. And I just put it right in, close it up on top. I believe these are like wine bottles or gift bags. They're so cute. I mean, you could do so many things with it. And I just put the jar in there, pulled the sides. When I pulled the sides, as you can tell, I just kind of put it on the rim of the jar and did it even more tight. And then I double knotted it just so it stays in place. And now I'm adding some of this cute puffy 3D puffy paint. It's gold glitter. I also got this at Walmart, and I'm just going to put them in different little spots. And it gives it just enough sparkle on it. Yay! So now I'm just going to add some pretty flowers and some greenery in it. I added some sand from the Dollar Tree just so make sure, like I said, it has weight. I mean, it was heavy enough. I think it would be sturdy by itself, but I just wanted to make sure. And all I did was add some flowers and some greenery. I thought, it needs one more thing. So I decided to add a key from BB Craft. I will also leave that link. I just put another little shoe tie bow on that key and glued it right there by that button. And I thought that was the perfect touch. Is that not beautiful? Join me every Tuesday for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. Yep, it's where I do some shabby-licious DIYs. Okay, this one's a quick one too. I got this chalkboard stand at the Dollar Tree. It's so cute. And all I did was just paint it with some of that ivory chalk paint. And I didn't want a full coverage in the center of the chalkboard and in the back. I wanted you to be able to see it through the paint to give it that shabby look. Now this decal I found at the Dollar Tree, I thought it was absolutely beautiful and spring feel because of the colors the flowers were with that beautiful sage green and the lavenders and the pinks. I don't know, I just thought it was very spring looking, very beautiful, and I loved what it said. So, hey. So I just cut it out just to make sure that it fit inside my little frame, and it fit perfectly. And it clings on really nice. You could put a coat of Mod Podge if you like. I think I will probably end up doing that. But I didn't do it in here. But yeah, I would recommend putting just a light coat. And then these butterflies I also got from the Dollar Tree. And all I did was get them, put one down, glue, put the other down in the corner, glue, and then see how I'm folding them? I fold them right in the middle. I get my nail and I just fold it over just so the center is flat and the wings are what's up. And then I just put a little bit of glue and I glue them right in the center of each butterfly. And it gives it kind of like a 3D look. Oh, so beautiful. And look, that is it. Quick, simple, and so beautiful. I put little stars. I am putting little crystal stars in the center because you know Miss Leeny, I have to have a little bit of bling somewhere. And I just thought it was very beautiful, springy. Here is the final look, my favorite part to see everything together. Is that not beautiful? Oh, fell in love with it, and so fast and simple. Those butterflies, they look just gorgeous. And then there's the key and the little gnomes. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for you today. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new, subscribe. I really love for you to be part of my Krafty Leeny World family. Thank you so much. Don't forget, every Tuesday is Leeny's Shabby Tuesday. I post weekly videos here at Krafty Leeny. It was my pleasure crafting with you today. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes, lovelies. Be kind yourself and others. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video.